Hey everybody, it's Neil and I have the heaviest box ever. I'll show you guys what we got here. This here is a weight set, and this one here, let's check this out. This is 10 pounds, and I have a bad wrist, so I can't really do too much with it right now, but you can kind of see this is what it looks like here. It says 10 pounds on both sides of it, and on the other sides as well. And it's got like a rubbery kind of coating here. Do each of the 10 pounds, if you can see. I can put it down on here. It's not gonna be a hard ball on there. We have 10 pounds, we have 7.5 pounds. We have 2 of those as well. And we have 2 of the 5 pounds. So this is here is a little bit more my speed at the moment just because my wrist hurts. But these are really well made, and you can see they're got the rubber on there. So if you drop it on the floor or something like that, you're not necessarily gonna crack something. But how cool. So now, got some weights, can do some exercising here. And good, and these are nice. They got a good grip on them. This here will hold it on there nice and tight. You got it like with that. If you wanted to, you could probably wrap it with some tape if you really like to do that. But got some good strength building weights here. Very nice. So this is it here. You got, and you can stand them up, I guess, probably too. Yeah, it stands up somewhat here. So somewhat balances on the table, but you usually did. So very cool. These are nice. Stack up 1, 2, 3. And then you've got the other 3 here with the so very cool. So nice to have a set of weights finally. So I like it. Thumbs up. Very nice.